It is really hot outside. You okay back there? We are on another adventure. This time we are going to IKEA. We wanted to grab a few things for the beach, one of those sunshades that we can sit in because it's really hot out. I've packed my Jujubee Super Toki Mini Bee with all the fixins, water, diapers, wipes, snacks and treats. So if anything goes wrong, I'll be okay. But hopefully we can get the things we are looking for and it should be a fun time. Someone was really thirsty. It's kind of hot. We have a lot of toys, or mainly I have a lot of toys, and I've been looking for something to display them in. And these glass cases were a good deal. I may come back for them. We'll see. What are you eating? What are you eating? You eating these? You want more? You want more? Yeah, okay. Okay. There you go. That one. Get that one. I think we might be buying the giant plush pencil. Seems to love it a lot. So they didn't have anything that we were looking for, but we did end up getting the giant plush pencil. He played around with it a lot and loved it, so I figured I'd just get it for him. It was good. So now we're heading home. Maybe stop somewhere else along the way, grab some food, but yes, the IKEA adventure is over. Until next time. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.